In this video, I'm going to show you how we can configure console password on Cisco switch. So we will take a 2960 series switch and one PC. And I will take this one console cable from here and connect it to RS-232 port. And here is the console port. In the real world, there is no RS-232 port. RS-232 port is also known as a DB9 port or serial port. So you have to use a USB to serial converter, and that is readily available from the market. And then after you connect your device to the connectors, you can use the Putty app and click on serial, and whatever the COM port, you need to check your device manager for that. If it is COM3, COM4, and click on open, and the session will open. Now let's configure the console password. So basically, if you take the console right away, there is no password configured. So anybody, if anybody have console access to your device or switch or router or firewall, he has the full control over your device. So you need to secure it from the intruder. And also, if anyone has a console access, he can break the password easily. So better you make uh, you know physical physical prevention is necessary in this case. So you need to adapt to physical prevention measures, like your switch should be logged in a server room, and the server room should be biometrically logged. So you take here terminal session, and right away you are presented with the console session. So we need to set a password here. To set a password, you can use this command. First of all, we have to go to the Goldberg configuration mode, and here we will type interface, sorry, line console 0, and then the password should be set, and then login command. This login command will check whether the password has been set or not, and then save. So now if you take the console session again, let me reload the router, reload the switch. So once the switch reload, you will be prompted for the password like this. If you enter the correct password, then you will be presented with the enable mode. Otherwise, the device will be locked, and you have to reset the password. So in this way, you can set password on console port of the Cisco switch. Thanks for watching.